How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 1957 Chevrolet two-door Bel Air Post done in Plum Mist. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Really like the color on the car. Looks really nice. All the chrome on this car is just beautiful. It's all been re-chromed over the years, or replaced, or repolished. Super slick, straight, flat down the sides. Very, very nice car. I tell you, it's hard to find them this nice anymore. Got your Krieger SS wheels, nice vintage wheel on it. Beautiful, beautiful car. All the bumpers and everything, all the chrome on the car is very nice. The taillight housings, they got a little bit of age to them, but real nice. All the panel fitment on the car is right on. Car's super flat, straight down the sides, got some slick paint. This car's been done for many years, but it's super nice. Got a nice little 327 4-barrel. It's got power steering, it's got power disc brakes, got your vintage air conditioning and heat. See, all detailed real nice, all painted really nice. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun keeps coming and going here today. So I really like the Krieger wheels on the car. It fits the car. It's got an all new Bel Air two-door hardtop interior in it in the black and silver. Very, very nice. Not your standard Bel Air Post interior. This is the hard top interior. It was custom made to fit this car. Headliner and everything's very nice in the car. Got your tilt wheel in it. The jams are all nice. I'll tell you, the hardtop interior is so much nicer than the Bel Air sedan interior. Much nicer. I've done a couple of them like that where I've put the hardtop interior in them. Just so nice. Trunk's all been finished off, carpeted, and spare tire cover. Comes with the car cover. Got your retrofit AM/FM cassette stereo, direct fit. See your vintage, your AC controls and everything, the vents. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. Tell you, I really like the color on the car. It's very, very nice. Fires right up. Got a nice dual exhaust on it out the back. Not real loud. It's got 350 turbo trans. Tell you, just a super nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com.